Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Mike Santoli. Tech stocks getting smoked as the market's leaders take the brunt of a major sell-off on Wall Street. Stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Amazon all down sharply this past week. Is this the opportunity to buy tech darlings at a discount? Joined by Craig Johnson of Piper Jaffray and Stacey Gilbert of Susquehanna to give some answers to that question. Craig, you have a couple of names that actually look like they might be worth a bet at these prices?
Yeah, Mike, I think at this point in time, two stocks that you can still buy inside the tech world is you can definitely buy Apple, and this kind of little pullback that we've seen here in the shares, they're finding some decent support, is certainly a name that I'd be stepping up and buying here. The charts are not broken. The charts are still just seeing corrections in longer-term uptrends, so I'd be a buyer of Apple in here at these levels, and also I'd be a buyer of Microsoft. Same kind of setup. Longer-term uptrend is still fine. Stock got a little bit ahead of itself. We're seeing some of those excesses come out, but it's just a correction back to the uptrend support, and we'd be a buyer of both of those shares here.
All right, two of the tech names in the Dow as it happens. Stacey, what about you? In the options market, is it giving you any opportunities here?
Yeah, there's obviously a lot of bottom fishing here, so I'd almost take a step back and look at fundamentally which names do we like. And the name that you mentioned there, Mike, would be Alphabet, would be one of our top picks here. So if you think about Alphabet, our internet analyst Sean Patel covers with a positive rating at a $1,500 price target. Really looking at some of his search engine checks for Q3, they look positive. YouTube is accelerating, which really could outperform Q3. And even valuation-wise, it's still attractive here. The volatility is high, as is all volatility across the board here. So if you're interested in positioning in Google, don't want that downside exposure, you could look to something like call spreads where you're going to get that upside exposure with limited downside risk. All
right. Alphabet, the G in FANG, oddly enough. Well, thank you very much, Stacey and Craig, for joining us today. And thank you for watching Trading Nation. I'm Mike Santoli. We'll see you next time.